Annabelle Meisel here from Kamalifestyles.com. Today I will be talking about how to get a woman to sleep with you. I've heard men saying that getting a woman to sleep with you is not a hard task. Trust me, it's harder than you think. We have a reputation to maintain and looking slutty is not something we want on our resume. No matter how much you think she likes you, to get your hand on the hot sauce, there are some things that you have to trigger in a woman. It is a skill that you master with time. I will teach you smooth techniques on how to get a woman to sleep with you. Improve your kissing game. I think most women share this sentiment with me that kissing is one of the romantic ways of showing your affection. So we love kissing very much. However, when we kiss and you do not trigger some sexual excitement in me, then we will not go past the kissing. Men who have mastered the art of kissing have greater chances of getting laid because they trigger sexual excitement in women. Bad breath is a big no, so make sure that your breath is pleasant. There are some who have a medical condition that causes bad breath, so try use mint or anything that will suppress it. During kissing, we tend to let men take control. So once you're in control, you can lead it all the way to the bedroom. Set the mood right and start light, especially if it is the first kiss. When a woman kisses you back, it means she is into you. And if you play your cards right, you might just fire some shots. Body language. The most powerful tool when it comes to seduction is body language. Women have mastered the art of seduction using body language, and that's why when we want to get a man in bed, it happens. Body language has nothing to do with our physical appearance, and no matter how hot you think you are, if you don't do it right, you don't get anything. Let your body flirt with her, even when you are making small talk. Subconsciously, we pick the flirtatious cues, and they trigger sexual excitement, slowly sometimes without us knowing it. If you are close enough, you can go an extra mile. Men can get hard by just looking at a woman, but for us, it goes past the sight. When you are excited, maybe try giving her a light hug to show her your excitement. And if she doesn't withdraw, maybe squeeze her in a little bit tighter. Play with her fantasies. We grow up wanting to be princesses and get a prince, charming like Cinderella. Once you identify what your woman is into, then it becomes easy for you to be part of her fantasy world. Create an environment that she will be open to tell you her fantasies. Start with the safe ones which are not sexual, then gradually progress with her pace to the naughtiest sexual fantasies. You might realise that she fantasizes about having sex with a man in uniform. Boom! That's the jackpot you have been waiting for. All you have to do is create a romantic environment, and you better be wearing that uniform if you want to take a trip down there. One advantage of trying to fulfill a woman's sexual fantasy is it shows us that you care about what we feel, even if it sounds dumb. That's a bonus coin you want on your side. It also triggers sexual excitement in us because we will drift in our fantasy world, and the good thing is you will be part of it. Make her horny. The easiest way to get a woman to sleep with you is to make her horny beyond redemption. The hard part is getting her that horny. The first step is to understand what turns your woman on and what makes her unique. Use the various techniques that we have discussed over time on how to make your woman horny. Remember that making her feel appreciated, beautiful and girly goes a long way in getting her to that point of no redemption. Don't do all the work, grind hard, and once she is horny, start withdrawing slowly and let her do the chasing. We also love to feel in control, so being horny and feeling we have the power is an erotic landmine. The roles might change and she might be the one leading you to the bed. That's all for today, gents. If you want to contact me about the services we offer, please send an email on info@kamalifestyles.com. Gents, please hit that like button now, share, comment and subscribe. I'm Annabelle Meisel. See you all soon.